Peeps, let me see a show of hands of all those persons who are interested in seeing the results of a survey done to determine how many Jamaican politicians actually deserve the salary that they earn. Well, unfortunately, I don't have the results of that survey. However, what I do have is a breakdown of the salary earned by Jamaican politicians on an annual basis. Let's start with the Prime Minister, shall we? The Prime Minister receives a basic salary of $7.3 million annually. He is also entitled to $1.2 million in travel allowances, but is likely to get a fully maintained vehicle, so he may skip out on that payment. Or does he?
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
All parliamentarians except for backbenchers and the Deputy Speaker are also entitled to $1.2 million in travel allowance per year. Any parliamentarian who operates his or her own vehicle gets an additional $30 per kilometer for travel outside the corporate area. Aside from the Prime Minister, the salaries of parliamentarians are as follows. Leader of the Opposition gets $6.4 million. The Minister of Finance, $5.9 million. Other cabinet ministers and the Speaker of the House gets $5.5 million per year, while junior ministers get $4.8 million. Parliamentary secretaries and the Deputy Speaker get $4.1 million. All other parliamentarians, those who do not hold executive positions, get just under $3.5 million per year. Senators get $17,000 per sitting or for committee meetings. But it is not just salaries. The Leader of the Opposition gets $276,000 per year as housing allowance, while junior ministers and parliamentary secretaries get $207,000. Housing allowance is not given to backbenchers or the Deputy Speaker. All MPs except backbenchers get $78,000 as subsistence per year, and most get a telephone allowance each year amounting to $30,000. All MPs are entitled to a chauffeur and constituency secretary. The constituency secretary gets $956,000 per year, and the chauffeurs get between $469,000 and $500,000 basic, but that can be supplemented with commuted overtime and subsistence, which can run an additional $190,000 to $260,000. Cabinet members, junior ministers, and parliamentary secretaries are also allowed household help, with ministers getting 2 and the junior ministers and parliamentary secretaries getting 1 each. The household staff are paid by Parliament at a cost of $481,000 each year. Have you ever wondered what is the benefit to being elected a councillor? Councillors get a monthly salary of $114,600, which is less than half of the salary a member of parliament receives. Councillors make $1,375,245 per year plus other allowances. Those perks include a monthly divisional allowance of $20,000, a monthly subsistence allowance of $19,652, and $40 per kilometer when traveling on official business. The financial rewards get better if that councillor becomes a mayor. The mayor makes $2,701,049 per annum, or $225,087 per month. A housing allowance of $329,080 per year, and a fully maintained car. The deputy mayor earns $1,640,406 per year. He or she gets a monthly divisional allowance of $20,000, a monthly subsistence allowance of $19,652, and $40 per kilometer when traveling on official business. Except for the mayor of Portmore, who is directly elected by the people, the mayor is decided by a vote among the councillors. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach them right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.